Hey everybody, welcome back to the Embraer 145 project that we got going on. And got a couple of little short updates. I mentioned before in our previous video that I was going to extend the MIP all the way across here, the main instrument panel. And today I've actually started to do the framing out here, starting with the center part of the console. You can see just very, very simple 1x10 I think is what I used. I put the correct angle in there and put some bracing in here in a couple of places, and now I'm kind of using some really thin, like 1/8 inch or 3/16 inch plywood to create the MIP face, similar to how I did it last time, except for this time it's split in the middle. I'm not a super huge fan of it being split in the middle like this, but unfortunately the vehicle I have does not transport 4 foot by 8 foot pieces of plywood, so I'm stuck with the shorter stuff and making a compromise until I can get these cut out of metal at the water jet cutting place. Until then, I'm just going to build the new mock up for both sides out of this plywood, and as you can see, I got the ECAS drawn out there. That's about where it will be, in the middle there, and the mode control panel and all of that. Essentially, this portion is going to be actually mounted a correct way, and it's actually going to be angled the correct way, the same as this is here. So it'll have that same angle coming forward on the new piece, and it'll be a separate piece that'll be detachable, which will make for some easier repairs. And it'll also help me when I go to complete this upper piece here. I'm going to do it actually out of a thinner piece of plywood, maybe even that same 3/16 plywood that I have. and then once I have all of the main instrument panel completed and rebuilt, I should be able to start doing and finishing out the main part of the frame here, where it connects through, and we can set up the windows and stuff like that and get all of that framing in. And that's pretty much it for today. No real big things besides that. I have a little flight going on here in the background, as you can see. Pretty much always do whenever I'm working. I just have a flight going and let it fly, and I do my work in the background. So there you go. No real other updates besides that, but look back for some more updates on the new dual seat MIP, because we should have some updates. We should have this painted and all cut out in the next week or so. Thanks.